This will be Dobrik's Perfumes unboxing and first impressions. Stay tuned after this intro. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna do a very quick unboxing and first impressions of Dobrik's Perfumes, a big YouTuber. I'm a big fan of his stuff, actually. Always like pranks his friends and just buy expensive cars and stuff like that to his friends. And I've seen him personally actually a couple of times in clubs back in the day in LA. Him and his ex-girlfriend Liza and the whole crew. Anyway, he launched a new line of perfumes and I just got his brand new spanking perfumes right now. They said it's unisex, so we'll see what do I think of it. And yeah, I was gonna do that very quick unboxing. I haven't done any of those in the longest time. I wasn't even preparing to do a video until I found this box outside my doorsteps. Okay, I'm still opening this box right here. Okay, bear with me, guys. Thank you so very much. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, they look big. Because I know they're only like 60 mLs, but they look like big. The boxes are big. We'll see. Anyway, there's a pink one and there's a black or like kind of like dark grayish one. They said they're both unisex, so we'll see how unisex are they. This one looks feminine to me. This is the 02 and this is the 01. Okay, let's just open the 02 first, the pink one, because it's like it looks pinky, dude. Come on, we'll see. Well, I don't have any high hopes for the pink one, to be honest, because I don't know. Let's see if it's if I can wear this one. The boxes are very simplistic. They're cheap, to be honest, and the bottle as well looks one of those like cheap bottles. Magnetic cap. Sprayer is wide. This is feminine, first of all. Fruity, floral, fresh. Kinda, yeah, it's definitely fruity, floral, and fresh. There's a big freshness coming out of here too. It reminds me of Valentino something. I forgot what's the name of the. I'm just gonna put links. Or Zara number 2 Woody or number 3 Woody. Number 2 Woody, I believe so. It smells exactly like these two scents. I like it. I can wear it, but it's definitely for a lot of guys out there would be on the feminine side. Alright, the same box, the same everything, the same cheap bottle with the magnetic cap. Let's try the other. This one I can actually smell it. It's very light and airy. It's nice, but still mostly for a woman. This one is definitely darker. This is the 01, by the way. Amber and Cashmere. This one got a lot of ISO E Super. This one is ISO E Super Bomb. Literally, guys, it's like ISO E Super. Or if you just like, it's a little darker than Eccentric Molecule 01, because there's something in the back with it as well, like leather or something, but it's just kind of like seriously think of eccentric molecule 01. This is it pretty much. Yeah, eccentric molecule 01. So one is Valentino B, I believe, and the other one is eccentric molecule 01. So this is pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna do full-on reviews on these two fragrances in the near future once I have a grasp of the longevity and projection and everything. And yeah, till then, see you guys next time. Peace.